In this video, we'll go step by step through the most effective fixes for a Sharp TV that won't turn on. Step 1. Check the power outlet. Start by checking whether the wall outlet is actually supplying power to the TV. Plug another device, like a phone charger or lamp, into the same outlet to confirm it works properly. If your Sharp TV is connected through a surge protector or extension cord, remove it and plug the TV directly into the wall. Sometimes a faulty power strip blocks enough electricity to prevent the TV from turning on. Step 2. Perform a power reset. A frozen system is one of the most common reasons a Sharp TV suddenly stops responding. Unplug the TV from the wall outlet, then press and hold the physical power button on the TV itself for about 30 seconds. Leave the TV unplugged for 1 full minute before plugging it back in. This drains leftover electricity and clears temporary software glitches that may stop the TV from booting normally. Step 3. Test the remote control. Sometimes the TV works perfectly, but the remote stops sending commands. Remove the remote batteries completely and hold the power button on the remote for 30 seconds to discharge it. Install fresh batteries and try again. You should also press the power button located directly on the TV. If the TV turns on manually, then the problem is likely the remote and not the television itself. Step 4. Remove HDMI devices. External devices connected through HDMI can sometimes prevent a Sharp TV from starting properly. Disconnect all connected devices, including streaming sticks, gaming consoles, soundbars, and cable boxes. After removing everything, unplug the TV for about 1 minute and then try turning it on again. HDMI handshake problems can occasionally freeze the startup process. Step 5. Check the standby light. Look closely at the standby light on the front of the TV because it can reveal important clues. If there is no light at all, the TV may not be receiving power due to a bad outlet, damaged cable, or failed power board. A blinking light usually points to an internal hardware problem, while a solid red light often means the TV has power but cannot fully boot. Step 6. Try another power cable. If your Sharp TV uses a detachable power cable, try replacing it with another compatible cable. A damaged or loose power cable may stop the TV from receiving stable electricity even when the outlet itself works properly. This is a quick fix that many people overlook during troubleshooting. Step 7. Test for backlight failure. Sometimes the TV is actually powered on, but the screen appears black because the backlight has stopped working. Turn on the TV and shine a flashlight very close to the screen. If you can faintly see images or menus, then the backlight system has likely failed. This usually means the LED strips or backlight circuit inside the TV needs repair. Step 8. Check for motherboard problems. A defective motherboard can also prevent a Sharp TV from starting. In some cases, the standby light turns on normally, but the screen stays black or the TV freezes on the Sharp logo. If basic troubleshooting does not work and the power board seems fine, the motherboard may need replacement to restore normal operation.